Hey everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video, I'm going to show you that how you can resolve your issue. Issue is that your YouTube keeps crashing on iPhone when you're just using your YouTube, just like that. I'm going to my YouTube and just using normally, and in your face, it's not working properly. It's crashing. It's not working. So how you can resolve that? Simply just going to your settings of your iPhone and you have to make sure that you have a strong Wi-Fi connection. Also make sure that VPN is not connected during that process. If you have a connected VPN, just disconnect it. After that, you just have to just going to the general section and just going to the software update and update the latest iOS version in your iPhone, maybe iPad. After that, just go back and just going to the iPhone storage and just wait for a second for the loading and just scroll it down and just find our app of YouTube. Just tap on that and just tap on upload app. It's going to install the app and you just get again another button of reinstall. You just reinstall the app from here. After doing that, just going back and just scroll it down and just find a transfer or reset iPhone. Just tap on that and just tap on a reset and just reset the network settings from here. After doing all these steps, your problem gonna solve. Make sure you follow all the steps in this video. Your problem gonna solve. After that, make sure you like our video and subscribe our channel for more upcoming videos.